In today's video, I'll show you how to send money from USA to South Africa with Remitly. Remitly makes it easy, secure, and as well as generally one of the more affordable options for international transfers. And remember, if you are new, you can sign up with the link below to get your first transaction fee free. Now let's get started. To begin, open Remitly app or go to their website. And if you're new to Remitly, again, you can sign up for a free account with the link below and enjoy a free transfer. Existing users can just simply log in using your credentials. So now once logged in, select South Africa as your destination on this section and hit send money. So now on the first part, you just need to type in the amount that you'd like to send in US dollars. So for example, we are going to send $50, and then on this part, you'll be able to see the amount that they receive on the corresponding currency. Now on this section, you just need to select the delivery speed. So you can go for express. This usually uses debit or credit card, and for economy, you'll pay with your bank account or bank transfer in general. So we're going with express for this one. Hit continue. And by the way, on the bottom part, you'll be able to see all of the fees. So now you'll need to select your delivery method. So Remitly offers options for sending money directly to South African bank accounts. So you can choose also bank deposits as your delivery method, but you can also go for cash pickup. So we are going with bank deposit for this one and select from the option. So we're going with Standard Bank. Now you just need to fill in the recipient's bank details. So this is if you are going to select bank deposit. So I'm going to do that now. Enter the recipient name, first name, middle name, and as well as their last name. Hit continue, and now type in their phone number. Now, to receive transfers on time and to your recipient's email to send them a link for them to complete the South African Reserve Bank mandate. And if if your recipient does not have an email, you can send the form to yourself so you can assist them. So I'm just going to fill in this information right here. Now, select how you'd like to pay. Remitly allows you to pay with a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card, and you'll see the fees and exchange rate up front, so you'll know exactly what you'll be charged. So for now, let us go with new card and fill in all of this information, your card number, expiration date, security code, and as well as your name as it appears on your card, and double check the billing address on this section. Now, once you have done all of that, hit enter or hit this next button. And before finalizing on the next page, take a moment to review all the details. Remitly will display an estimated delivery time based on your chosen delivery method. And once everything looks good, confirm the transfer and you'll receive a tracking number that you can share with your recipient for updates. So that's it. Sending money from the USA to South Africa with Remitly is straightforward, affordable, and also secure. Remember to use the link below to sign up for a free transfer. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.